Hey everybody, hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving and hopefully you guys picked up some great deals on Black Friday, if you could find any, that is. However, I was able to pick up this right here for I think about a little bit off. I don't know how much I got off, about like $15-20 off or so. So I got this for about $45. I was interested because I wanted to know if this is all just marketing hype or if this is actually good. So this does support the Qi 2 wireless charging standard. Comes with a nice little built-in kickstand, if I get it focused. But I got this as well as two other MagSafe power banks that I wanted to try out, see which of the three is the best. This is coming in at the middle in terms of price at 45 or 46. I have the popular Anchor MagSafe battery bank as well, which ran me $54 or so. And I also have I'd say no name or like a very cheap brand, I guess, or a cheap power bank, which was $20 or just around there. I wanted to test that one out as well, but I'm about to go out here soon with some friends, so I wanted to see if I could get some testing in while I was out. So, interesting part before I even got to the video. So if I get it to focus in here, I'll show you guys. So this says rated capacity is 6,000 milliamp hours, while the cell capacity is 10K. Now, I have no area of expertise in terms of this, so let me know what that means in terms of, is this just like a way to market 10K but not give 10K milliamp hours? So let me know in the comments what you guys think about that, or if anybody has any knowledge. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Trying to get this done one-handed as before. If I can get a nice tripod or some type of gimbal or something that can also function as a tripod. I was looking at a DJI. It was like a built-in. That was a pretty good deal, I think, for 90 bucks on Amazon. I was looking at that. But yeah, until then, we're one-handed opening stuff up. Let me see if I can. So let's power up together is the first thing you're greeted with. I assume there's literature and stuff in here. Trying to do this while looking through this right here. Okay, it's got some weight to it. I'm not even gonna hold you on that one. That is a little hefty. I like it though. I like weight to my products. All right, so we have a USB-C to USB-C. Nice to see that we're kind of moving towards a direction where you could just carry one cable and you're done. For all the 15 and 16 users for iPhone, you guys are set with one cable. For the rest of us with the 14 or lower, man, we're gonna have to struggle for a little bit. But I was curious if you can just do pass-through charging, where if this is connected to your phone, right, you could just have this connected with the USB-C cable that you take. Let's say you take one cable, one power adapter, plug in the power bank, and that'll charge your phone from it as well. So you wouldn't have to bring a separate lightning cable if you have a 14 or older iPhone. So, all right, so let me go ahead and get this out of this packaging and just check out what's in here. If I have to use up whatever is in here and then charge it up to full, because I know for the literature for the $20 one, they gave me a specific email from the seller saying that please use up whatever's in the power bank already on arrival and then charge it up to 100% without interruption. All right, so let's go ahead and get this out here. Never mind the stickiness. All right, so I believe this is not on. I think it's just a plastic that's giving the hard eyes look, but it does look pretty cool. I believe that's the power button, Qi 2 wireless charging with our magnets around, with our centering. It's got a nice little bit of text. I'll focus it in here. More for you. That's what it says. And on the other side, we have our See if I get it focus. Our USB-C in and out. So this has one port in total. So we get it focused. Yeah. So that functions as the input and the output port. So you cannot charge it and output at the same time. See if I can. There we go. Okay. Okay. So then, yeah, the stand, at that point, you can use it at whatever angle you'd like, which is pretty awesome. So if you just want to have it set like this, or anything lower, it's stiff too, which I like, because over time, if you're using this a lot, the stand function of it, this will loosen. So, or I assume at least, because I have, give me 1 second, I have one of these on the back of my phone. So over time, this does loosen up. So, you know, I assume it's the same with that as well. So I'm excited to see what this is like. So I'm gonna do maybe a short of this, or if you guys want, I can do a full video of how this charges the phone, how much it'll charge my phone, and I guess if you guys have any questions, give me comments. What do you guys want to know about this or any of the other two devices I mentioned in the other short? So I think it'll be interesting. I'm cool to see how this works, or if this is just a gimmick. But yeah, let me know, guys. This is something interesting for me, because I don't really like wireless charging because of how hot it gets, but it is also useful. I don't want to carry around a cable with me when I'm out, so this would be the next best thing. Let me see if I could take this off here. Yep, so it was just because of that sticker. So because of that, now we have a plain display. Let me see if I could, oh, there we go. So we're at 33%. Just press the power button. We're at 33% on the power bank at the moment. See if I press it again. Because if I hold it, okay, and it gives you a little animation saying bye. So I don't know. I haven't gotten a smile face or a sad face or anything like they advertise on the listing, but maybe once I put it on the phone, it'll show me. But yeah, let's see. And then I'm also going to test out, because this also functions. You can also use this as a normal power bank as well, just with a wire, if you don't want to do wireless charging, which would be, in terms of, you know, getting the most milliamp hours transferred from here to your phone, I believe that would be the best option, since you're not losing anything to heat. But yeah. All right, guys. So after reviewing all of the little booklets that they give you, right, with the instruction manual or user guide and all that stuff. So, oh, look at that. We got the smiley face. So it does instruct us to charge the power bank to the max before we use it. And it also says that we can turn off the display by double clicking the button. So there we go. If you don't want this to be on at all, you want to stay full incognito, or if you just are worried that this might drain your battery too much on here, you can just double click this side button and it will turn off the display. So now let me see if it'll turn it back on. Okay, it says hi. However, okay, so I guess single click would just turn it back on. But yeah, so you press it to turn it on, hold it to turn it off, double click to turn off the display itself, but keep the power bank on. So very cool, very neat. And I guess if you want to preserve the most of your power bank, definitely follow the instructions. Look at them. So I'm going to charge this up. I'm going to use it. Me and my friends are going out today, so let's see how much of a charge this can give me. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, anything. Leave them down below. Thank you guys so much.